$40 million in federal funding is going to expand mental health services across the state. WDRB's Amanda Roberts was in Frankfort, where the lieutenant governor says Kentucky is making students a priority. Amanda.
Good morning, Chris. Now, there is a mental health flag flying over the Capitol. That green and yellow flag you see right there was flying when state leaders, school leaders, and students made the announcement today, saying that it's a symbol of how Kentucky is now making mental health a priority in schools. The $40 million grant is going to 5 different educational cooperatives. The closest to the Louisville metro area is the Ohio Valley Educational Cooperative. A year ago, Lieutenant Governor Jacqueline Coleman made mental health care one of her primary platforms. She says that students are more likely to take advantage of mental health services when they're offered in schools. She and state leaders teamed up with hundreds of students and school leaders to establish 988 as a crisis helpline, improve suicide prevention, and distribute training kits to Kentucky schools. They've also held discussion summits with students to hear their mental health concerns and what they needed in schools, like allowing excused absences for mental health.
When students speak, people can and should listen. And if you saw the students here today talking about the work that they've done, they're continuing, they're committed to this. They're in college now. And so also this shows us that this issue is not just K-12, it's also in higher education and beyond.
We've worked a lot across the around the year on these recommendations and spoken to a lot of people. So we've got to see a lot of on the ground work being done, but also to see this large sum of funding come through to really affect the whole state. It's just really rewarding to see that.
Green River Regional, North Kentucky Cooperative, Southeast, South Central, and West Kentucky Educational Cooperatives are also receiving a portion of that $40 million grant. The lieutenant governor said that this would continue to be a platform of theirs if Governor Beshear is reelected. She said that while the grant money doesn't cover all Kentucky counties, it's still a priority of theirs. Reporting live in Frankfort, I'm Amanda Roberts for WDRB News.
Amanda, thank you.